Hi friends, welcome to Learn Programming. In this video, we are going to explain some of the basic data types in Python. These are some of the commonly used data types in Python. Other than this, there are some other data types which we will cover in upcoming videos. So first we can look at the string data type, which is the text type data type. So we can create a string data like this. In this variable declaration, the value which the name variable holds is hello world, but the type of the data, that is what is we call the data types. Value is hello world, but the type of the hello world is a string of string type. You can print that variable using the print statement. If we try to execute this code, we can see the output. Suppose if you want to know the type of a variable, you can use the inbuilt type method in Python like this. And if we print this, you can see there is str something like this, and this means the type of this variable is type of string. Strings can be created using either single quotes or double quotes. Both are actually valid syntax in Python. Also, if you want to create multi-line strings, suppose I want to create some string like this, using just single quotes or double quotes is invalid. For this purpose, we can use triple quotes syntax. This will help us to create multi-line strings in Python. So if you print this, you can see the output as a multi-line string. You can use either triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Both are valid to create a string data type. So here one thing to remember is that if you create a number like this and put it inside a single quote, even though it is a number, the Python will treat it as a string. So we can prove this by just checking the type of this variable. You can see the value is still string even though the value is 20, because it is enclosed inside a quotes. So that is that one thing you need to remember while creating numerics. The second type of data type is numerical data types. The basic data type that we commonly use are integers and floating point numbers. Other than this, we have complex data types. So, but in this video, we will be focusing on these two data types. So, if you want to create an integer, you can directly create a variable like this without any quotes, and it will be treated as an integer if you omit the quotes in this example. So let's try to execute this. You can see the type is printed as int. Similarly, if you want to use a floating point number, you can use the points, and it will be of type floating point number. The third data type that we will be looking here is booleans. Booleans means it has only two values. Either it can be true or it can be false. Those values can be represented like this. Here one thing to note that there must not be any quotes. If you put any quotes here, it will be a string only. You have to create booleans without any quotes. So here if you print this code, you can see the type as bool. One thing common in all these three data types are that all these kind of things will hold one value at a time. You can here we store the value true in age, or we can store some number, etc. All these stores only one single value at a time. We will learn about the advanced data types in upcoming videos, which can hold multiple values inside a single variable, and it will be explained in later videos. So see you then. Thank you for watching.